Hello, and welcome to the UTDesign Makerspace virtual reality training. My name is Hudson Samuels, and at the time of recording, I'm the president of UTDesign Makerspace. To start, make sure that you are using the virtual reality computer. This has all the necessary software and is connected to our virtual reality headset, the HTC Vive. For starters, you'll need a Steam account to begin. Go ahead and launch Steam on the desktop using this shortcut, and it should bring you to an app that looks something like this. When you're ready to begin, either sign in or create an account if you don't have one. To create an account, just click the button at the bottom there, and then you'll see this form. If you do have an account, go ahead and sign in like normal. Once you are signed in, go ahead and launch SteamVR. You can do this by clicking the notifications hidden icons here, right-click Steam, and click SteamVR. By default, you should see all of these icons grayed out somewhat. However, all you need to do to turn these on is move around your headset and controllers within the VR space. First, let's go over some recommended settings. I recommend clicking the SteamVR header here and clicking Display VR View. This allows you to see what the person playing VR can see. I will quickly move around the VR headset so you can see what I mean. Now that the VR headset is being tracked, we know that we're able to see the view properly. You can also dock the view or turn it to full screen if you would like. Now that SteamVR is set up, let's go ahead and launch the tutorial. Start by clicking this header here, clicking Tutorial. Let's go over how to put on the VR headset. First, start by taking the controllers and putting on the wrist straps. Go ahead and do this by slipping your arm through the blue band and tightening it. This can stop some easily preventable accidents, such as throwing the controller across the room and hitting something. Remember that this equipment is quite expensive, so we need to be very careful while handling it. Next, take the Vive headset and grab the back and front with both of your hands. Make sure to take off any hats or other obscuring objects. Move the Vive to the front of your face and then put the strap behind you. Next, tighten the knob on the top of the back. You can do this by turning it clockwise. Next, you want to adjust the ear cuffs so that they are next to your ears. Simply move them down and push them against your ears. To turn on each controller, press the small button below the trackpad. Now you're ready to play. Once you're done, go ahead and unscrew by turning counterclockwise. Once you're done loosening, go ahead and remove the back by lifting it up and place the entire headset back down on the table. To plug in the controllers, go to the top of the computer tower and plug in the micro USB cable as pictured here. You should be able to see an orange LED pop up on the controller as soon as it's plugged in. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. If you have any questions, please make sure to ask an officer on our Discord server.